When it comes to online moneymakers, it doesn't get much bigger than Amazon. Amazon is an easy way to get started. They offer a variety of ways for you to share the wealth using their platform. You may be surprised by how easy it is to be an Amazon bestseller or otherwise generate significant income on Amazon. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Tech Top. On this channel, you will find everything you have to know. But today, in this video, I am going to show you top 8 proven ways to make money on Amazon. Want to know more? Let's get started. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Amazon's affiliate program is truly a giant in the Amazon money-making world. If you have reach online, whether it's through a website, blog, or because you are community moderator, you have the capacity to make money as an Amazon affiliate. If your audience follows the affiliate link and makes the purchase, you will earn a commission, generally between 4% and 10% of the product's purchase price goes to the Amazon affiliate. Number 2. Amazon Handmade. On Amazon Handmade, you can sell clothing, jewelry, accessories, art, and other artisan goods. Amazon Handmade will give you a custom URL, making it much easier for all of your customers to find your shop. You'd have to pay $39.99 a month for a professional selling account, but this fee is waived for handmade sellers. Just pay a 15% referral fee on your total sales price. Number 3. Amazon Merch. Do you consider yourself an artist or designer? Amazon Merch might be right for you. You can sell t-shirts, hoodies, and lots of other things carrying your designs. You won't have to pay anything to sell your merchandise on Amazon. Amazon takes responsibility for printing, shipping, packaging, and supporting the customer. All you have to do is create your account, upload your design and price, and write your description and color. You get a royalty on every design that you sell. Number 4. Kindle Direct Publishing. Are you a writer, or do you have access to a team of writers? Getting your work published no longer requires the attention of a publishing house. Kindle Direct Publishing lets you publish Kindle books on their platform. 70% of royalties on overall sales can go to you. You aren't limited to just digital Kindle book options on this platform. Hard copies can be printed as well, but you really need to create a steady stream of content to succeed in Kindle publishing. Number 5. Fulfillment by Amazon. An Amazon FBA business is an excellent way to make money without worrying about shipping or customer support. Your products are stored in an Amazon warehouse, where they can make you money on the Amazon marketplace without you having to do anything once the products are shipped. Using the Amazon FBA program, you send your items to an Amazon center and let them take care of delivering. As the Amazon FBA seller, you will be charged by units, depending on weight and size. Number 6. Amazon Mechanical Turk. If you just want to make a little bit of extra money without having to start a big project, the Mechanical Turk project might be right for you. Your tasks can involve participating in surveys and moderating and validating content. It's not a way to get rich fast, but you might make as much as $15 an hour or more. For people looking for a simple way to earn, this might be just the right program for you. Number 7. Retail Arbitrage. Retail Arbitrage allows you to take advantage of discounts offered by big box store like Walmart, and thought that the price of something was very good to make a profit by selling those products on Amazon. Using the FBA revenue calculator, you can use your smartphone to scan barcodes to determine whether any given item is worth selling on Amazon. You'll probably find yourself disappointed if you just buy picking up clearance items. However, if shopping for bargains is a thrill for you. Number 8. Sell a service. If you have a service to offer, you can also make a good income in an Amazon store. Whether you tutor musical instruments or a school subject, Amazon can help you connect with clients. All you need is general liability insurance with a $1 million occurrence cap and a cleared business background check. The share to Amazon depends on what service you provide, and how much you make. If you don't want to deal with advertising your services, making a website, etc. by yourself, Amazon can take some of the work out of it. This is it for the day. See you all in the next video. Until then, subscribe and ring the bell icon to receive the latest notifications. See you soon in the next video.